the side view, the jab, cross. Now I'm going to do a combination of the jab and the cross, followed one right after the other. Starting with the jab, then the cross. Sink back, settle back. Jab, cross. Do it from the side view. The jab, cross. What you'll notice in the jab-cross combo, or the 1-2 punch they call that, I'm extending my right hip with torsional rotation on the left. Now I am not doing anything different with the hip in order to create the next strike. This is all coming from core rotation. I have torsional rotation on the left. I switch that to torsional rotation on the right, and that's what triggers the switch of the arms. My left hand is being projected by clockwise rotation of my upper torso during the jab. I switch to counterclockwise rotation of the upper torso to get the cross, but I also need to change the lower torso from left to right to continue the projection, or to fulfill the whole projection of that right fist. It's not just one side of the core that's projecting, it's both sides. So when I do the punch with the right hand, my upper torso is turning this way, my lower torso is turning this way clockwise, essentially pushing off the ground and adding that projected energy out. If I just go from the jab and I begin to change my upper torso rotation, that's not projecting my energy out until I complete the lower torso rotation at the same time. Now it projects the right fist out fully. So 1-2 punch, jab, cross. Torsional rotation on the left, torsional rotation on the right. Reach, push, sink, set. When you do it fast, it just looks like I'm throwing my arms, and you can't see any action happening in the core level, but that's what's projecting all of the energy.